don't believe in leaving trash in the woods. And this was inside of my tent, and so I'm definitely going to light a cigarette. I'm going to show y'all my area around this tent real quick. Yeah, I need to quit these nasty things. Okay. So here's my setup. So one of the stakes has blowed off. I can see back here. Two of them have came up. The wind got pretty strong last night, so that one, that one. But there's no rain going to get. I do see a little bit down here. It's pretty hard on me, man. Okay, those stakes all look good, but see how I've got this tarp's just not big enough. That big blue one needs to go on it. So yeah, I'm gonna grab that little bit of trash and pause this video so I can get it facing the other way so you guys can see me as I go out of the woods.